Welcome to solverfy.
This is the answer to Chapter 27, problem number 20 from the Smith Organic Chemistry textbook. And in this problem, we are asked to predict the product from a 1,7 sigmatropic rearrangement of a deuterium atom in a triene. And then we're asked to discuss whether it would be superficial or anterofficial under the two different sets of conditions that we talk about in this chapter. And so the way to begin this problem to make it easier to visualize is to redraw the molecule. And so, oops. Okay, so we'll redraw the molecule like this. Okay, and so there's a double bond, there's a double bond, and there's a double bond. And so our three deuteriums are going to be coming off of this carbon. So deuterium, deuterium, deuterium. And then it is a 1,7 sigmatropic rearrangement. So, oops. So we can use the proper notation with the brackets. So it's going to be a 1,7. And then we can draw at least the carbon backbone of the molecule, because that's not going to change. We're just talking about a rearrangement of this deuterium atom. So we know it's a 1,7, so we can number everything. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And so we're going to have a deuterium go from 1 to 7. And we can draw the electrons moving. So those electrons will form the new bond with the deuterium carbon. Bond electrons can go there as that bond breaks. And then the rest of the electrons in the molecule will move around. It is a paracyclic reaction, as all the reactions we've talked about in this chapter are. So we'll still have two deuteriums here. We'll have a new deuterium there, and then we do just need to show our double bonds in their new positions. And so that is the answer to part A of this question. So then parts B and C are asking us whether it will be anterofficial or superficial under the two different sets of conditions. And the way to make that determination is to count the number of pairs of electrons involved in this reaction. So we have 3 pi bonds that are taking part in this reaction. So that's 3 pairs of electrons. And we have 1 sigma bond that's participating in this reaction. 1 sigma bond. So that's going to be 4 total. So 4 electron pairs, 4 e pairs, pairs. So we know that that's an even number. And then we can take a look, and under thermal conditions, for an even number of electron pairs, we're going to have anterofficial. And so we should also then know that since thermal conditions will give us anterofficial, photochemical conditions using light are going to give us superficial pathway. Superficial superficial. So that is the answer to parts B and C. And again, we did that just by determining whether we had an even or odd number of electron pairs. And we did that just by counting the number of bonds that are participating in this reaction. And it's 4, which is an even number. So thermal, anterofficial, photochemical, superficial. And that is the answer to chapter 27, problem number 20.